In this program, we work on everything that goes down on the floor, from carpet to hardwood to tile to vinyl. So with the juniors, we typically just go over an introductory level, but in the senior class, we get more in depth with the subjects. We will do border work, we will do inlays for hardwood, different types of designs, multiple patterns.
During your junior year, you'll cycle through 4 different classes. Second quarter, I had floor laying, but then during your senior year, you'll pick your major and that'll be your class year round. And obviously I chose floor laying.
For a typical class period, we are in the classroom like at the beginning of the day, but only for like 10 or 15 minutes. And then a typical day, we would just go straight to the shop, kind of work on whatever project we're working on, clean up and change out. But we also have one day a week where we do like math, and then sometimes they have different speakers come in and talk to us about like different unions and the HBA and stuff like that.
This program is best fit for students with a very artistic ability. We are considered finished work, so everything we do is on display for the public to see. So we take pride in what we do here, and you have to have a really good eye for detail and great hand coordination.
Not only do we get 2 types of certification, our OSHA 10 and our CPR training, by working with so many different other materials and knowing how to read a tape measure, how to do our cuts, how to measure everything out, by knowing how to do that and so much more, will have employers be saying, oh, that person already knows what they're doing and they're fresh out of high school. Let's hire that person. And it's great because we can have that foot in the door.
Our students are members of the HBA, the Home Builders Association, here in St. Louis. With that, we have connections through the unions. So we have connections through local unions like the Floor Layers with the Tile Setters Union. And we also have a partnership with the National Wood Floor Association here in St. Louis. So after students graduate here at South Tech, they can enter the industry within floor laying or tile work, entering in one of the unions, working with an independent contractor, or furthering their knowledge, going to school, continuing education.
I think it also kind of sets me up for the real world. Like I'm able to get certifications and learn how like a job site's gonna run. And then it's also just a lot of fun. Like I don't have to sit at my sending school for 8 periods and just listen to somebody talk. I get to work with my hands and like make things. And I think that's pretty cool.